Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing our series of pattern therapy and we will be learning pattern number 4. Subscribe for regular art tutorials. Like for our previous patterns, we'll start by making our outline. As you can notice, I'm marking after every fourth dot. Why I always take 4 is because taking 2 or 3 does not suit well. 2 becomes very small in size and 3 is an odd number, so further dividing the square becomes a little tricky. And if we go to 5, again 5 becomes an odd number and 6 becomes too large. That's why 4 is a standard size. So our basic outline of the box is complete. We will be drawing our patterns inside this. The next step is to divide it vertically and horizontally and make smaller squares. I'm using same supplies as in my previous videos. It's Factor Notes, Grid Journal and Luxor Fine Writer. I'll include a link to all the products in the description, so it will be easier for you if you want to buy these. We have divided it into smaller boxes. And now we'll start with the pattern. We'll make a diagonal line and then 2 curves on both sides. So 1 diagonal line and 2 curves on both sides. Try to maintain equal distance between the curves. I'm using purple shade. You can go ahead with any other shade that you like. So our first layer is completed. Now I'll change my pen. I'll use a different shade for the rest of the pattern. You can use the same shade as well. So I'm drawing the same pattern, that is one diagonal line and two curves, but I'm not intersecting them. So it appears as if the orange curve is going under the purple one. Another variant of this pattern will be, if rather than taking it from down, you can just intersect it. Also, you can try making it using only one color and see how that looks different from two colors. Pay special attention to uniformity. This pattern also helps you to improve your wrist movements, curves, and lines.